A blessed day to all, my brothers and sisters. Kumusta po sa araw na ito? At dalangin ko na ang bawat sa inyo nasa mabuting kalagayan. Mga kapatid, niya ko kayo napakinggan sa Piliron sa pagpahayag Ebanghelyo sa araw na ito, araw ng Lunes, January 20, 2025. From the Gospel of Mark, chapter 2, verses 18 to 22. The disciples of John and the Pharisees were accustomed to fast. People came to Jesus and objected, "Why do the disciples of John and the disciples of the Pharisees fast, but your disciples do not fast?" Jesus answered them, "Can the wedding guests fast while the bridegroom is with them? As long as they have the bridegroom with them, they cannot fast. But the days will come when the bridegroom is taken away from them, and then they will fast on that day. No one sews a piece of a shrunken cloth on an old cloak. If he does, its fullness pulls away the new from the old, and the tear gets worse. Likewise, no one pours new wine into old wineskins. Otherwise, the wine will burst the skins, and both the wine and the skins are ruined." Ang mga Parisiyo, ang kanilang mga disciples, as well as the disciples of John, they really need to fast sapagkat sila ay naghahanda sa pagdating ng Mesiyas. Ang pag-aayuno o fasting is a way of preparing oneself. Subalit, ang mga alagad ng ating Panginoon Kristo ay hindi nila kailangan ang pag-aayuno. They don't need to fast. Why? Sapagkat ang inihanda na darating ay dumating na. So what is the meaning of fasting kung dumating na ang inihanda? So what they need is to enjoy with the coming of the Messiah. They need to enjoy the presence of Jesus among themselves, Jesus in their midst. Saka na lang sila ay mag-ayuno kung si Jesus ay kukunin sa kanila. So what is fasting? Yung fasting ay to empty oneself. Minsan sa buhay natin ay puno tayo ng mga bagay sa buhay natin na kung saan ay wala ng lugar ang ating kapwa at higit sa lahat wala ng lugar ang Diyos sa buhay natin. So when we do fasting, we are taking away everything in ourselves. Kinukuha natin ang lahat. At upang sa gayon, ang bago ay makapasok sa atin. We are fasting in order to have or to give space to the new, to give space to Jesus. Makapagbigay tayo ng lugar sa buhay natin ng ating Panginoon. Upang sa gayon, pagka Panginoon ay makapasok sa buhay natin, ay magkaroon tayo ng ugnayan sa Kanya. So, a blessed day to all of you, and may Lord be bless you. And of course, rest assured of my prayers for each one of you.